Hey guys, today's August 23rd, 2019. This is a update on the Double Decker Carousel at Canobie Lake Park. The ride structure is going up now. So the ride structure's coming up.
Here.
So this ride might be done by the end of September, I heard.
By yourself? You're okay with that? Like a seatbelt and stuff?
No. I don't think there's seatbelt.
Yeah, it's like a there's a board.
5:30.
Wait, that's on our way up. When you're ready to go, then we'll find food on it.
Yeah, this carousel, they need a lot more work to do. There's more pieces over there. See, this carousel gonna have a lot of detail to it. So this is the new carousel. We still got a lot of stuff to add on. They still need a lot of work on the landscaping and the gardens. So this is the new landscape. They almost done. They put concrete on. They doing work on the fountain. Putting light poles around the fountain. So this is gonna be done by the end of September, I heard. So hopefully carousel will be open by the end of September. Here's my update. So they still need a lot of work to do here. They got trees to plant. I see this carousel gonna be nice from this view. Definitely can't wait to see this ride getting built. I see you're gonna have nice views of this carousel. This is a new entrance of the new Garlands. Well, there's more pieces of the carousel over there. Just waiting to get put up. Now this is my new update on the new carousel, August 23rd, 2019.